guys, this is a very short, it won't be that long of a video, and there's just a few things I want to show you. Over here, we finally got the water bottles hooked up with the little hooks. They slide out, and I got a little surprise on Thanksgiving. Jumbo the second here had 4 cute little rat pups. And they're adorable. And then I have a 1.1 in here. That's 1 boy and 1 girl. And then I have 1.1 in the blue tub. And I still have my male mouse psycho. And I still haven't gotten any females. And right now I have 1 white mouse that I had to separate from him because they were fighting. So, yeah, about it.